Die, cowards! I am heavy weapons guy, and this is my...
Shut the fuck up and play the fucking game, you fucking dick!
Very well!
Smurfaroo, look at it go! Whirling wombats, I got it! Quit horning in, Susset, it's my Smurfaroo! Rumbling groundhogs, what happened to Smurf and Smurf alike? Beats me, I'm just a Smurfling! Hounded pumas, that sure looks like fun! Can I try it, Slouchy? Sorry, Susset, I'm on a roll. A drum roll, that is. But I needed to collect nuts and berries for my forest friends. At least they have friends. Cuddly caterpillars. At least Puppy still loves me. Who needs your silly old toys? Puppy will play with me, won't you? Come on, Puppy. Let's go share a game. Susset sure looked angry. Don't worry. Her bark is worse than her bite.
Face it, Gargi. The only thing blue around here is my mood.
I'm telling you, Scruple, there are Smurfs afoot. No, I can feel it in my bones.
Hey, look at me, Ma! Man, your skull's so soft. You're making this easy.
Shapeshifted into a dead guy!
Let's have a go at it! Now it's scout
That's what I'm
killing
talking
time!
about! Who's the tough guy now? Huh, tough guy?
Get over here, you yobbos, and help me defend!
Hey, overalls! Here's something you should have built. A not dying machine. Oh, hey! You suck!
Crazy!
I think I'll take Sasha out for a steak dinner tonight. What do you think about that?
Don't how did we go so wrong?
Did you forget about me?
Hey boys, it's a spy! Oh, turn off TV!
What the hell is this?
Uh-oh.
Never send a fat man to do a doctor's job.
But I am watching, baby!
Oh, fat man, please, just go home.
Oh, come on! Heavy was just getting started.
Go home now, and no sandwich for you, sir.
No! You cannot make me!
Move now, fatty. Well, the moment has passed. Back to work. Now, gentlemen.
It's no problem. I do this all the time. I could do this for money. I don't, but I could.
Okay, don't get too excited. Doctor, if you please.
Jawohl.
Move these machines up.
Sir, yes, sir. Mission accomplished.
Excellent. Well, let's begin, shall we? Yeah! What did they expect?
Scruple, stop that menacing mongrel!
Nice doggy. You're on your own, Gargi.
Come back here, you lily-livered lousers!
You're gonna get it now, Pappy Gargamel.
Perhaps you'd like to join me for a little Smurf stew? Oh, I guess that's a no. Mommy!
It's a good thing my dog was here to save us from Pappy Gargamel. Puppy's just as much ours as he is yours. Yeah, you hickory nut. Oh, yeah? We'll just see about that. If you think those look good, where do you taste the cookies Greedy gave me?
It looks like you have quite a sweet tooth today, Susset.
Don't worry, Papa Smurf. I'm going to share them with, a friend.
That's fine, but don't spoil your appetite for dinner. More puppies.
Here you go, friend. Gee, what do you want to do now? I don't know. Uh-oh, I better hide these till later. Wanna play with us, Susset? No, thanks. I'd rather play with my puppy. He's not your puppet, and I'll prove it. Go ahead and try. Come on, puppy, let's play fetch.
I am the Ubermensch.
See what I told you?
On me, proud boy.
Oh, Pappy, wouldn't you rather play with me?
Just some skulls, I
Come on,
will.
Pappy. Let's go play fetch in the forest. It looks like Pappy's turning into a one Smurfling dog.
Oh, that's nice.
Now that I'm puppy-proofed, those little blue-bellied
Stars and
beasts haven't
stripes
got a
means
chance.
hammer and sickle. Look it up.
Fetch, Pappy.
Smurfs, after them!
Huggable hound dogs. You're the Smurfiest playmate in the whole world.
Oh, that slaps me on the knee.
Okay, Pappy, here goes.
Let's go now!
Pappy, where are you?
Look, there's the Smurf.
That's some chunky business right
That
there.
mouth-watering morsel!
Glamour and cattails. I better Smurf out of here.
Come back here, you treacherous taste treat! Egads! It's that munching mongrel!
I don't get it. How come he's not trying to chew our heads off?
Oh, nice to meet you, too. Egads, I'm shaking paws with a dog! What's going on here?
Hey, look. There's a bump on the Staffy dog's noggin. He must have lost his memory when he hit his head.
Now that he's had some sense knocked into him, this misguided canine may prove very useful indeed.
What do you need that mangy old mongrel for?
Yes.
Watch what you say about my prize pet. With a little training, my new puppy will be the world's first Smurf hunting hound.
Some of you blokes.
Gee, what do you want to do now? I don't know, but I'm all Smurferanged out. And I'm beat from all that drumming. Has anyone seen Pappy? He just disappeared into thin air while we were playing fetch. Jesus, Ed. You mean Pappy finally got tired of being your dog? Oh, I know something terrible's happened to Pappy. Gosh, don't cry, Sussex. We were just teasing.
Oh,
This did not
it is
just happen.
so gay.
I was trying to find
Happened my dispenser.
Gentlemen,
Spy!
you know, hiding won't save you.
I wasn't supposed to.
Now just stop trying to mess with my contraption.
Ah!
I should have done this long ago.
I have been so ruined the balls.
You failed!
coming up. Sincerity! Where is she?
Oh, here lies engineer. What's the matter?
You snake.
Oh, please. Oh, almost. Let us dance.
I am a metal bender. Can't possibly race.
Great. Thanks for nothing, Mimi. Me? I'm not the one who spent all day flirting with the enemy.
Well, it's better than pretending to be coached by you.
Mr. Jock, what do we do?
Without sincerity, we may as well just go home.
Mr. Jock is right. Without sincerity, we'll never catch up.
Great! And now we're gonna lose 20 years in a row? They're never gonna let us live it down!